Hi, my name's Les and we recently bought a Stratco Cooldek patio and we're very happy with it. The reason we got the Cooldek patio was, one, we think it looks really nice, and what we really liked was the fact it's got insulation. It keeps us nice and cool in the summer, and we've already experienced that with a hot day yesterday. And not only does it keep us cool in the summer or the spring, it also protects us from the sun. Skin cancer is a big thing here in Australia, so we just want to make sure we protect ourselves and our family and our friends when they come over. Another great feature with the Cooldek is the lighting, the downlights. Not only are they really good lights, and they're actually part of the Cooldek. They were done through the building of the Cooldek. It's also got a dimming feature as well. It's really opened up the space in the area compared to what we had before. Particularly with the gable, it makes the area look a lot bigger. In the winter, where it was a cold night, but we had some friends over, and we pulled down the blinds and just had the outdoor heater on, and it was very warm. So, and that's obviously because of the blinds and the insulation in the Cooldek. The Stratco Cooldek patio is, it's been a great purchase. It's almost now an extension to the house, another room. And we're not leaving this place, so we're here to stay. So we figured we invest in something with this sort of quality. We know it's going to be here for a long time.